Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a subscription unboxing from BRUU. This is a gourmet tea subscription and they're from the UK. So this is what the packaging looks like. Really nice and sleek. I like it. So they do deliver internationally and you get 3 teas per box. You do fill out like a profile or a survey to tell them what kind of teas you like, and then they will curate a box for you. Very nicely packaged. We have a card on top. That's beautiful. There's lots of information on the back of this card. It says this month we're visiting the tea town of Munar. I probably butchered that. I'm not going to try to even pronounce that because I know I won't say it correctly. But this is really cool. There's some background here and how to make the perfect cup of tea. Very cool. Some facts. Interesting. Oh, and they threw in some chocolate. That's awesome. Double chalk. 10 grams of plant protein, all natural. That's exciting. Vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free. Nice. I love anytime a subscription box puts in some kind of treat, food, whatever. I love it. Oh, these are adorable. It looks like it probably got jumbled around in shipment, but very cute little gold mini clothespins. I like the little details like that. So we do have a couple of them here. So this is the first one, Ruby Sunset. You can see through them. That's neat packaging, so you can see what they look like. This one is Fruity Cheesecake. Resealable packages. Ooh, that one has lots of chunks in there. Kind of looks like apple pieces and maybe some flowers. Very cool. And then, oh, gotcha. Each one of these were clipped with a little card. Here's the next one. Let's see what the cards say. This is a black tea hand-picked by the BRUU team during a visit to Sri Lanka. It's light and delicate. So they put what it is, why they love it, and where it's from. And they come nicely clipped on each one. Mine got super jumbled since it did travel pretty far to get here. So let's pair the other ones up. Here's the Fruity Cheesecake. A creamy strawberry filled fruit tea. I'm excited for that one, not gonna lie. And then Ruby Sunset. There's a card on that one, and it's a green tea with pumpkin, orange, and grapefruit hints. That one sounds really amazing too. And then Discover BRUU. So what I'm gathering is you get 3 teas every month. They come with a little card that tells you all about them. Those ones are curated by them for you. And then this Discover one tells you about a different place, and it goes with this. So this tea is from here. And then there's tons of information on the back. So it's really educational, and it comes with stuff to drink and eat. So that's pretty cool. This is probably the most fun tea subscription that I've ever done an unboxing or even heard about. So this is really cool. And then there was a little thing about the card for the protein bar. So they have different products. There's a website and a promo code. How cool. This is pretty exciting. And like I said, they do ship internationally, and I don't think it's like much extra. So they do have different plans for, you know, how much tea you want every month. But this box, the normal one, should get you about 30 cups of tea, they said. So you can cancel it anytime. And I will put all their information below in case you're interested. Definitely check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.